crash Lumba in super natural mineral water. I would use your correct pa. I was at the Lumba t-shirts now you're ready. That the Lumba, the t-shirts now you're ready. One told the Abomadi I saw when bet your DLFM. I'm your front desk now. One swab by Jodia. DLFM front desk. Now one swab by Jodia. I do couldn't swab. And a man motor t-shirt. I would do Kubaso. A coffee. I don't pay about Duku. And I wear some Madrid. I walk about. From a Hitman. Good morning. I change Shabba could do some be better than I say. I fear didn't come on. And I pen come up on my bebo. And to me more quaba. Stay tuned.
Yeah, but you see, I'm a da group and tea. If you ever tell you, I'm Fuchi, yeah, but you see, I'm a da crowd. If you ever tell you, I'm Fuchi, if you ever tell you, if you ever tell you, I'm Fuchi, if you ever tell you, if you ever tell you, I'm Fuchi,
DLFM 106.9.
After 7-106.9.
yeah, baby, I see I'm in the crunch.
I don't be back quite jabby. I'm Fuchi. Maybe the BH. I'll pay give us speak up so I make up for the amount of premature ejaculation. Sexual weakness. I was on to me now, so papa. Pemo grown up, baby, a while. Here give us speak up so Sabebo. I don't need to give us speak up sauce. Manu no be. No be na wonso tumi gina na so. Be me bi odi ante sa na ade ache. Ana da no ayi kotoko ne has match ne kosi sai. Na mo krama foforo no kra wawo. Nyina ka sai. I was on tumi gina na so papa. Give us speak up sauce. Yeah, they give us cold capsules so about. Very, very effective for waist pains. Go quite to work. I am Timmy Hawa. What do you know? I give us cold capsules. Give us about mission swabba. I don't know support your immune system. Now put your malaria typhoid. I don't join this. Obia I want to mean the dear. Yeah, the Anis when the man would don't sound is say, wouldn't say baby Pianian and what PS baby. I give us about mission. Boost you. Appetite to mouse to me TBD pa. Give us about mission. Drugstore be a pharmaceutical shop will be a benya beato. I don't think I want from penny for nothing once so won't you would I give us speak capsules, give us cold capsules, give us about mission. 0543-222-470 0543-222-470. Yeah, friend, give us. My experience Experience the ultimate in comfort and luxury at Diofosu Plaza Hotel. Diofosu Plaza Hotel. Go for it, at the chairman of your botanso. Every year, I should say, I didn't have Fraha. Now, you can't the latest hotel about town will be at the one dance here. I know I need you for Plaza Hotel. Continue by saying, I'm called one name called here at it. When is your Diofosu Plaza Hotels? Come up, comfortable and luxurious rooms, conference rooms for all your conferences. Say event to be now we are not for baby and come out. Baby come out. Our gym center or home, swimming pool home for all your reservations. No, somebody has over from 24 054304 58834 020-79-79461. Come and experience the perfect blend of luxury and comfort with the Diofosu Plaza Hotel. Diofosu Plaza Hotel. Come up. And I pay me in London and here. London and here. Rana just said good morning. Alright, and I start the work here live on Facebook. And I start don't answer for doorbell. Good morning. Brabana dance also here. I'm kind of so that the Lumba 1 week no episode and now what you done now episode. Our University of Ghana Sports Complex on the 30th of August. And I pay my dear in Atlanta. And Shaba Quadio Sammy B. And once you're pony, Quadio Machi, oh, Machi. Morning, Biabo Quadia.
Yami Adamo the Enquires.
No crap. Na wona now near. And Waba. I'm in Fafi Kakrambo way.
Okay.
And all Momudi abontin de Bomiasa.
Baby, I wish I see a free.
Didn't do fire bontin there. And I'm for the Fedium Bow. I'm in Fafidium Bow. Yeah, the boot 20. Dan Okra say, Wuti on Nenchikakra. It's Sandy Abentino. Then so you were ye richly. Na pay and a house of DL4. Okay. Abba. So when ye baby dim come na ye dim come ye pa, wouldn't the Abba. Bridge na bo. And yet just ye tennis you. Sure. Ye dear real to be best a cacapena kay pompoma, ye near bra, ye would ye home. Tano pay will buy ya quadro, and command ye dear, send you would jay hona, san ye to Hanoma, and a pay ye no a free house of deal. Abba, ye know baby dim come. Is answered the abentino, woba, nafi, yensu ye to me dim come to go. Woba ya dear tiano.
All right, Edikan DJ Hitman, in fact, Nasia Maunaya.
Now, one got some mammonia drew.
Semi Gusso,
okay, Cabasa,
Medin Shama, we Basso.
Okay.
The Edro, Mammonia Chive, and Uncle Dear Mabo. You are born Bibia Econ Cane. You and young fan Shannon Nasia in a tea for no credit. Said the beer Damunia Yemo, ye different if you buy Yemo. Sometimes I want to come one more numbers and across the more free bisa say, a she won't crane, one more bet test. In fact, you know, Massy, or my idea, and near you my phone in say, yeah, Benifosa said, a count empty knock out. No credit. And only a dry editify and a bomb pies and copon coswa may and is what they who know. Uncle Swan Shine and then if we say, or don't know more than a DNA idea a concane. Into Yamishra will be a and then could damn also more bono. Yaminkoswa inshra in your mapa, Obia, and then Copon from Waki to a sefata, and far a mano. To the Americano, and the enemy say, Mirana, a woman or and Yamerepa. If we say Nagana, mind the Ankabian Shemo, and Kita was able to make them the net or so Edwin and a Bermu who are debiada, Minya Quenya make us or no. A Sebu Memfi etronyum be no chidum say. Bemwo wu ebo modern ebo resika for them on person watena and would did no correct na ofeduawa no de yin simu no correct na hia for fie de obo wura ho a omokokokokra de ope and wojo na no na bemwo we hu ye mobo a wabatam oman Ghana ye du nsini ba kopa aka e fa nmutu mu a oman mu ni wiase afa na nyina enim ne modern bo ene dwumadie sonko a wadi ene mfaso de a afoforo nya efiri ne ho no ba mu wu anspe na obefande ne kro enti ehu adwadwene de ba kobra yego so wo mo ete ho penten kwanye ne chena na ebewie efiri se ewo mu se yem papa firi mo no mpanifo ahyehye se Nyankopon ya adoma bosuma ye wo me eyo sana bosumi ne de to so aduasa na ye ba kwotena se ekobodwa data ewo University of Ghana Sports Stadium na ye kwekodi in 1 week observation no na na yie no so mpanifo ahyehye se ye de be kwa santemanta mu ne mo da kra ye de be kɔ no ana yie no be ba so no de nya de mpanifo de ho nsensem de aba enti ebegu so abobna efrise de asi ne ba kɔbra mu oya yes emu oya efrise yem papa wo hwɛ sa wo atwa to hɔ no mo na
nya saketwa
na ye hwɛ ne mu se ye ne be kɔ so atena na ye ne na gigigi ye ne efrise edwuma ne de wa ye awie de aka ne se nka obetena ase ne ne nyina hwe abomu na ba mo wo de ono wa ye na fam de twede yampo Nyankopon no wo soro no so bra kɔbna onim de ye na oye ma ne ma de bia meka ade ba kwan ye papa ne wuo no aya na enhame bebre wo mu no nyese wuo ne nhame yo ne mom ade ba ko a aya ma manigi wo mu ne se adwuma ye papa ye no eso na eden se benya obi a obetumi replace no eno ye one ene secondary nso obetumi yale da ho no manfie pi na manfo edi ne fie hyemfiri ekwa akwasra no ne ade ebedu be wusese bi wo hwe nipa nanim kura nhwe na nyame adom ye papa Ghana fo ante na yade yate ya ne se ba mu abefa ne ko eye simple eno yesi no ye plus de maye enti de ebe kanya ne se ye nkoso anya fam de ebe ye bia na ye mfanta abusua ekunafo na afi nso emma no na ye nyina ne wo ma da eye ntoto ye nyina no no eni DLFM adwumaku no obi ante akire bi ne nyina ye mpiepia kakra na ye ntoto ye papa chi kura ne mu se obi a obebo ho moden eni dia obahwiri bia na twede yampo Nyankopon ebe san ya hye wona mu eno na ebe ye mo ho because de bia da me ka se papa ye prophet je se wante asore ena wankobo krele kene ne ma wono ko mu
komsheni da de Lumba
ne wo me de no de fa nwum tuo mu
okay
no de ye ne komshe adwuma ne komshe o hye na satena ebi gusu a
eye adwuma
enti se wo se usika ana wo boka wono dwumadi bi ho a Nyankopon de ho nhira ne be ma wo
okay Kojo na ma menka tiefo se wona wo busada de Lumba t-shirt no aye krado wo do ni che DLFM yam front desk a wonso obenya t-shirt ni benya t-shirt no kra duku no so aye krado and Wisconsin International University ani ene won bon hwenim pepepe nti oba DLFM a wonso sabeka t-shirt ene duku ya ne krado da de Lumba t-shirt na fe pa nti wonso ba wonsabeka bi na fe na wotweda no wa shaba nyina ediye papa Charles Kojo Fusu de Lumba ne na wotweda no Kojo
ade ba ko aya na oman mu ya yenhye ne so ne se bibi e wo ho no mo ye se kobra ne tu ho na mo a aya ye twanya aka ba ye da ba ko no ne nyina dimrika e ko akopere akope eno se ade aya na emwa yen enti ye besere yan listeners no o mo muti ye fra chichiri ene benche ye ne se ntade a ye behye ede akoye papa na wotwena se no ye pese ye nyina ye sha atade ye ba ko a ne ye nyina ye kama ne ye dem fine enti ye besere de ye approve one a mpanifo mo hwe ye ntoto ye so de aba no eno ene ye ton DLFM fia no musi
certified and approved
yes enti ye besere se mu nyina mbaba beto bi entwen emane enkodu 29th of August we anse wa ba beto da bi beto no preko na fagu ho no ya me ya adoma da no du a wa fa hye enya afi na me beto me ba ye se bi ni ho ene ye se asa ene ye se twen kina eno ye ba ne sa emwa
okay
bo modern ne mani munyan bra beto no kama fato ho e bre no du a na wa hye ne ye nyina ye fa nko na nye fa because ye nyina ye hye ntade ne ma ye uniform sa na bo nse e be ye ni kanika o nse wo ko school a ye nyina ntade ba ko na ye hye especially wo ko primary schools na me JHS ne SHS ne ye ho ye ntade ye ba ko
de kana ban school
amna me ka kire won ye nyina ye gina ho no ma pepepe eni bi ne ye pese ye ye nyina ye mo ye ho modern se ye betumi abeto ntade no na ye timi di akọ na yakoboa na ye tumi ama abusuafo ne agyamfo ne nyina no na bibia kwa kama de wanya papa e fa no 1 week no
right ojo me mo akwa babiem right akesema du na afia no pay no wotwe abo ojo ye ne house of DL for ebedi nkomo and man pay nkomo aye bebo no ye bebo nkomo yi pa ntino ye ma house of DL for akwa ba na fe won tra se na ye mo nkomo no 106.9 106.9 live on Facebook. Linking can messages in the crowd. Agnes Obina was good morning, dear forever. Abbas Austin also we thank God. It's a new day. It's here what my community 23 kind of work. You're a JJ, also good morning, Hitman. How are you doing? I show me who you pa. Nandos in the message about no pay. What's what heard you made in a live from Pacoso. You're a JJ since this one again, also Sammy B. Aquaba. Master through Wadina, Wasti Madina. Good morning, Hitman. My condolence and come out Dobruni. Oh, that the Lumba. Wasti Eddie Free Madina the Dubai. Now we're streaming live on Facebook. We call Facebook page in the swap. I hear DLFM 106.9 live on YouTube. I'll comment to her. And I'll pay a bedding come up. House of DL. House of DL. When them said that the Lumba and the fan clubs in the door so pa. About Kwa Bow home what the pa. From House of DL. Wanna pay a bidding come on. Derek, I tell live on Facebook and I put in the message about what's me show live from Enquires. So Vance got a great job, Hitman. I saw some watching you live. The fresh Sujan at the buyer. Juan Abaya men says good morning, Hitman, watching you live from Tema Community 22 Estate. Go join me live on Facebook and watch share link now for Frubin so to me a 5 more minutes to hit up of the hour 8. Then House of DL. And the bon come on.
Hitman, yeah, or hot
Texas or here live from Cantonment. Piaga, say good morning, Hitman. I had to say, show me who you are. Emmanuel Kwedu on Facebook. I say good morning. Antim Penny Fat, I say. I feel me more than a crab, and I found a paying dinkum. And come on, the Bobby pa. Kennedy, I'm not live on Facebook. That's a good morning, Hitman. Great work. Watching you live from Germany. Anyone know my motion free brochure? I better swear, be my telephone. I'm most more contributing to the show. Patience, man. Good morning, Hitman. May the Lord console us all. Rest in peace, Daddy Lumba. Anti House of D on Penny Fat, and I say, and I feel me more on a crab, and I found a pay yending combo. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Mumbe microphone na fi yending combo and pay. Some man kwa na bema bako. Come on, so ladies and gentlemen, and you know, me mama kwaba. Thank you. Mujimeso. Okay. Ladies first, and I mean, Shasi free bema ho. President, good morning.
Good morning.
Bibi aboko dia. Yo, your mama kwaba and a pay at the back and Anidaso Wɔhɔ a special edition in loving memory of Ura Charles Kwadwofosu Daddy Lumba. Now, as president of House of DL, Ekwe mo hyase breben. Eba ne sen na mo ti kuo se mo ti kuo no. E wada de Lumba din mo. Bo me ho komo na bo me ho abakosem kakra.
Ekuo no em say 7 years ago. In a Yeshe Ikonase, led by Sir Kwame Papibi, and a couple of the members, which some are here with us.
Okay.
And I'm say, and your papa, Daddy Lumba, no hodo, and he said they see pet ninjum kwa.
Okay.
Senia osi a kwakra nipa.
Okay.
Obete na ese obi home fano, but and I'm ninjum so na nipine ya yaresa.
Okay.
Obi raho and I'm ninjum no so na chese nipano enye nijeba. You know, it means in terms of life and kasano. Fat dadia wa fadepa. And intino na dadia hako say gospel. They have gospel. Most people say gospel nyamenyom, but no. Obi bia oka insempa ama insempa esesa afufo bia the gospel of the word.
Okay.
Intino daddy, in fact, not daddy was preaching gospel. Intino such a person no. So if you say far, near fadepa.
Okay.
Intino yes so yeah again say sadia e better daddy chi na yabwa na ninsempa na or sell it out no yabwa na yade yatremu amane ebitintim.
Okay.
Intino ina nyeno nko so im say daddy so pe adoye pa.
Okay.
Intino kwaye so be fa so na e beboa ma daddy adoye na oye ama foforo no edu echi no. Intino ye kabom as a club to help daddy to reach his goal, his mission on this earth, and then his vision that he had.
Okay. And into that the Lumba, nyoma wotwo nkurahia wode hye nipa adoye a woye no ana motena sese mo be form kuoyi na mo de ahye na nuonyam.
Correct.
Into mo form kuoyi say mo de hye that the Lumba nuonyam.
Correct.
Into mo ti kuoyi 7 years ago. What shall I say with membership? Nipa dodo say na mo de mo shall say.
Yes, no. Now it was about, if my mind serves me right, we started with about 100 people.
Nipa be 100.
Nipa be 100. Yeah.
7 years ago.
7 years ago. That was about not just 100, 100 plus.
100 plus.
Exact figure. No,
Okay.
100 plus. Yeah.
And the name of membership you do be saying.
Oh, in the 273.
273.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And my you 7 years in the and the membership now grow from 100 plus to 273 and more.
Yeah.
Okay, what are some of the challenges? Muti kui minimum say na challenges kakra wo honom ne ade the challenges when aya mo fam wo minimum say ku ne de mate some more supported that the Lumba the legacy the vision the mission of person wo ye no but muti ku no or how ben ne because minimum say bibia nye smooth sade but challenges ne be the same.
Challenges need the endorse sir, but kakra woman mechanic say won say ekunu yekubia worldwide and yet Ghana happy.
Okay.
You were US, you were UK, you were kind of saying Netherlands,
Holland,
Italy. I think across Europe. And you know mostly the challenge kakra ebane say when we want to meet a bit of a difficulty, mostly in was like Ghana Hana Asia. Once a while, now you're from the diasporas, more outside Ghana, and once a while, not just say no more so I Asia, but almost more okay. I quite remember last year there was I think a barbecue this in at UK where all the diaspora members met to put things together and then see how best we can help to grow this club.
Oh, okay.
I say our networking a bit difficult getting our members, the core members together. And I say about locally so membership base and also how kakra sometimes you get members coming on board and then say who try say obe aka nipa abom. Now, because you have a vision that you want them to rally behind you to make sure that vision comes to fruition. Sometimes you get some of them, trying to draw you back near there. But all in all, we've been able to get to where we want to, and then we are still fighting on.
Oh, okay. Right.
Despite the challenges that we have.
It's a Mukono, an international club.
International.
Because it be US, it be Germany, it be Italy, Holland, and they just say. Now Ghana has also a crank one.
That be the whole Ghana.
The whole Ghana. And I know the Mamma Rabbe in Bremenafino. But once we be church, baby, Ghana Hanomono club Nibiwa, will be person joining here. Will be joining. And ya Accra Hankwana Kuno. Mame fa microphone na fe mente wonka obebo odin na fe dwumadi awudi e wo house of deal no yate wonka ye pa.
Okay. But me da say ye fa me mame ya anuama. Me one of the pioneers. If I me no mo start here. Me dey na me call work and I'm hu so mo call and I'm sure me ndi o mo chi na me hu so mo share t-shirt na say deal group ni. And they say, baby, I'm a me sign and they do much, and that was how I joined them. Now, you were branches, men can say, but we are all over the country. You were, say, but me can say all the regions because your other members are one north, Boconia, and I sound what events and WhatsApp page. Now you share na you communicate.
Oh, okay.
And 2% will join here. Your president's Eddie, your details no. Ebe to join. Now, if you're interested in joining, I'll joining.
Right. And you're from Mami Nuyama. Mami Nuyama. We are founding member. And I said,
founding member.
We are founding member. Okay, honey, a tikuno. The tikuno now. I see. Mami also found microphone and I feel what Bodin, I feel no. Jumedia Woody or House of Deal no. Yatonka. Mami, a friend say.
Your friend Freeman.
Freeman.
Not Madame Fubi Wokonim. Into me who start na kind so they are man I want to join. No they make can into my ko penny back I friend no DC. Into me ne kasa no chem process no na me ko join here. I me ko join here so bibia okay like many Japan because many nje na me boa. Because my joining cool be I join but me say that the Lumba ko ni the best.
Okay.
And me who so ofi in Sutane so na ma manager because me fi in Suta kwa mai.
Okay.
Me fi kwa mai.
Na just say fie pa.
Say fie pa anti na ma me join.
Okay. Right. 106.9 and pay any House of Deal. And penny for aiding come over Jumedi. So why when you try the aba? Ra Charles Kwajo for Suda de Lumba at the form. Na pay matron Safri House of Deal penny for so one bra na fi inding come on. Mame wami a wo fifi won so bebo din na fi no ba na say na be join new group yi.
Pacho me rasi bebre mediani Tima Wonder. Na de do na de ni mi. Ba me den kasa kasa Fatima to Al Hassan.
Okay.
Yeah, na that day Obia metna mena nanchen. Na those days Peace FM. O 30 pa tembia no ti da jenyo. Ti bo am bizana say na tembia uti da Lumba. But me mente nsem na o kan. I don't understand. No say onyini a obeye but yes.
Asaba na naka che ono no.
O say nyi a.
O say nyi a beti ase.
Because of some one or two, words be no say nyi a beti ase but e be also how chere must say see ni say no person yede.
Okay.
So me say no at a very young age. To me na am say be share House of Deal.
Okay.
Omo Facebook.
Okay.
And na me lady be nso so no so no page no so which is Kisses.
Okay.
We are Benjamin Shaw Kisses, Nyame Shaw be so dem can House of Deal. Not in my count. I joined in I think 2017. Yes.
This is your tea cool and channel join here.
Yes. I'm joining cool.
Okay.
So I say I'm part of the
Old members.
Yes.
Pioneers.
Yeah, pioneers. Yes. I'm part of the pioneers.
Okay.
That the day you'll be a Otamakumaso.
Okay.
I don't know how to describe him.
Okay.
I see him as a demigod. That's how I see him. Who say normal human being like us? That's how I see him.
Okay.
Personally.
Okay.
Who say or a demigod. And see, baby, daddy will be ano. Nyamfani kra. And see, we love you.
Okay.
And we will continue to love you forever and ever. Me dem madi. Metro almost say, me share daddy. Share and sem. me ne din komo be sa so frame me ne chat kakra me frame am dey share me dem
I see. Right, mama also be body na fe no
me ba share frame me obapasi
see baby now also about say na be join the House of DL.
House of DL, I think say me na me dem me ho ko join me ho Facebook and me am dem me ho ko join ni time o mo say no said it say makan no anche bia na me so me ko mu and na me ko join ni and House of DL one bebre my brabom Lumba nyom abo me my brabo akọ enimu said me bọ me bra ewo enkra ha DL nyom ka ho bi and na mama brabo nso etumpon.
Okay. Okay say DL nyom ka ho ana wa brabo etumpon a na wo ka ne say
dem pesa me nchire nyina ne say that the nyom bi wo ho no ma mete na say mabamu bua ehye mi kran say mete that the nyom bi na se bibi chire me so say bia me nya me ho bone a nyom ni hye mi kran say ebeyeyi nti me mama ni nkode me ye ne so me re me ho ya ebeyeyi ama me.
Okay. Right.
Nkran hye wo mu a abo ame no
ti that the Lumba nyom na hye wo nkran
bebre
ti bia na nka wo kom no wotie sa nyom na sesa nyoma wo wabrabom. Right, mama also be fa microphone na fi wabodi na brebe now join the House of DL.
Good morning.
Good morning.
My patro, your friend, my Baba Sam.
Okay.
Do the one friend me cookies back.
Okay. Children Fantinia.
Me and Fancy.
Okay.
House of Dear won't be folklore or the woman.
Okay.
I should shine your no.
Bebe microphone na mate wonke ye.
Okay. Mo join House of Dear 2019. Early 2019. Yes, thereabouts. Now, Mammy film fresh. Okay, now I am Mammy 2018. But then, Batanua, it's a lot to take in. So, and I went through a lot with it. So, Namu Hudame Yankubi opposed Dear on no way post the House of Dear one in Yama. And then I reached out to him. I'm catching there. I think I'd like to join the group. Before then, no, of course, Mr. Dear on a lot, and you hardly even hear the words. So, and I can boldly say the House of DL was the family I had then to hold me through my grief. In as much as DL was there for me in many ways, House of DL as a group and as a family also held me down. So I've been in House of DL since 2019. I've been the organizer I was the organizer for a while. Yes, and then we are here.
Okay. Right, 106.9, 12 minutes after 8 a.m. here, and I pay your dim komo, your House of DL on Penny 4, and a dim komo. Now, remember President, Ebra Mote said that the Lumba a free mono. More for news in the saying.
Hey, same way. I don't know, so Okaya, Mifro, you remember that midnight I called you? Now you were a friend saying, Enquiries, so Suhum, right? Yes. Now remember be if you are not any was Suhum. And you know how much you know. Now Yanity say, if I may be bo, but for me, I wasn't sure, and I didn't want to believe because now for Amano. Deaf are not in Ukrainian, so we thought it was one of those things. So back at me for a crowd, you couldn't even give me the right info. So young China, you know, I had the same idea.
So that the Lumba and acquire musician or was a sis for Phobia. Na Phobia was sorry.
Exactly.
Was a yes, Christo Crabas as is so backo and was sorry backo. But that the Lumba, the Phobia. Na Phobia was sorry.
In fact, Manjendi until finally the communique from the official page of DLFM. Everybody said, Enquires said that they film. And that day, we say, you I don't know because now you were him and information is by na Charlie, it was serious.
Yeah, serious.
We couldn't take it.
Okay.
We couldn't take it.
President, what can how I will feel it? Mame call Mame Nyama or Nami Busano. Or also, what is that dear free no? What feel it saying for microphone na mentionka na more baby a mudi jumedi bina mo sante said that Lumba free more. What fan is saying?
Okay, me there na me wo your friend saying Spenters Palace Mall. Na my husband birthday ni Monday nti say be birthday party man ni Sunday. Nti me wo Palace Mall me shopping. E na call ne buy me lawyer na friend me lawyer twene bo akodua TK. Na o say ya what asem aba. Na me say dey asem. O say wonte na me say TK me ni apo dey na ma me yema hyehye me. O say o da Lumba ewu na me say what say saying? Afi omo etwa me ho say na ahwe me say asif say na me say Lumba ewu say saying. Asem be na wo ka no. Nti fa me yemu hye me. Because the attachment I have with the man is so personal. Me share one-on-one, but I've always loved him from afar. Me ti Lumba nyuma, makuma tome ye. And I mean, me who do you mean kana? In fact, me. In fact, me botu. In fact, your partner no kanka ye nyanye. Until one of my friend, my husband, no sure what in no kwenam si. I didn't say na omo kana san. In fact, enyumen. In fact, enka your partner kwa ye nyanye. We say enyumeni na ya ye basa. Me say anajono me da no. I said, me papa newu. Brother, me same papa dada. Ejina me ni so sad to say. I dear change. Me de personally, Lumba go need dear. E kame. So you be a me done pa.
Okay, right. Mama, also what you no saying na ofa no.
Me go inside. Na ye penny back of phrase.
What can go inside and now we have?
Na ye we ye na se.
Ye na se, okay.
Hotel ho baby e kose no.
Okay.
But na me go inside. Okay. Hotel room ho no. So omo ka se ye mbe didi na nka ye ntimi nko ye na se. Omo start so omo ba be didi me pie ye no. Na obi ekita na aduane a e wo mo nsem a omo ndidi ye. But time na the friend nka o se nka omo timi ewie aduane no.
Okay.
See me busa say then na ekoso no omo kita aduane wo mo nsem sa. Ti open na ba ko tani nani na chi hwe me. No o ka che me say yes DL. Na me say DL a eden. No so yes ma ye nka ne kesi o. Na me say ye ma ye nka ne kesi na DL a eden. No obeka gu masum say we shim. At once na afide misu yesa so mo hwe me o manka so mbeka misu yesa me ye na simple ye ko nyina still na misu mi bedu fie so me lock me ho hye dem na metie nwum na misu sa misu the whole day just say 1 week ni na misu every Saturday bi esi a misu because of ne ho do am me wona me di ni gi me din because of me krom and dem di me di ni tu me ho pa. Any day.
To say that dear from the how.
Ha me o me frɛ me ma me mpo ka kyerɛ sɛ me enka ba me dem ko hyɛ dem kan ye. Me frɛ me ma me ka kyerɛ no. Ma me ka kyerɛ me sɛ me hyɛ me ho din because onim de we a me pɛ ma papa na asɛm. Onim de we a me tie me anwom no. Ye ra ho kra no ani din no mo de frɛ me. Ti me
I'm for us and we am ho. I'm for us
Lumba ba.
No more for area what area ben out here. Community 7 what tema. Nti omo fro Lumba ba wo community 7. To said that what said that the free mo no e how pa.
Oh e ha me pa e ha me.
Okay. Mame also what said that the free mo no. What fan say?
Me wo me dey na me tie ndi. Me nyonko bayifu e tie. I don't know mama Saturday na ana ofre me bo ma na ya no pa. In fact, up to now, I mean, to me, she me also. Chese, ye gususu. House of deal, ne Ghanaian, ye we are seeing na ya shre obrimpon, ya shre de. Fiti da deal wu ye no see. Chese me da be na me bo piti say na me ye ma me. Aso wo jejira me ni so. Me ntimi control myself. Na mpemfo bu baby mi refi me kai na se yenwie ya mebu sa be na ansa na yakọ ade na eme ya wanhwe kwa misu eni fiti that day no na me nu maduro bi me ja aduro ni nom se eduro nyime na me ntwa bia yemfa bibia nto nche mintimi ko daddy wo na kame akɔ me widie mu ankasa
te duro nyuma kyerɛ fa kakra
asɛ ɛkyɛ sɛ awiyo me ɛkyɛ sɛ me fa
wɔfa no
ma fa
rɔfrɔfrɔ
kakra ma fa kakra mentimi na
ana matombo minim sɛ yadeɛ but bibia mu na yɛhye yɛ ho so ano ahye yɛ ho so
sanity aha pa
okay right mami won so tie no sɛ na afa no
honestly me tie na at once no I most na me no I couldn't control myself actually madam for our Hitman and they cry on birthday Abna Franca happy birthday to you on of me say Equia what in yes that you frame nti hono mo de no kwanya mani me de dinner tem say sab na ya moye no moye de munya no say tima we de baby if ba na de e no krew na ho machi kwa na ye de you frame me around on probably 8 a.m. I'm say de me nyina me kate no ti me ko frɛ ye penny back which is cojubrate you and I say me nya botre na obesa frame me back my basa me that day lankasa de lucky say na mama wo menchen I don't know what would have happened honestly na mama wo menchen mama sunim say na me peda de asem nti hono na me fa phone be 10 na me fa phone say my friend because Obia na e wo mu a metime ne ye den e di nkomo ti me friend number me friend ya no Obia ne den fa ti I just sat down with Senasi. Say me train could you call? Me train be 1 hour on friend and Mr. Fred, my friend no fa. Taffy na course and my phone so. No as I'm comforting on my wedding. A friend me say see my say that you film. Because Obia will need me be anybody on my list knows I love him, you know. Say ye nyini no bebre na kasa that you be asebio man de so me na so mpanipa but they am share no I was surprised me nwa ba ise koto ba rade asa na ye twem ofi bi no mo ye party wo honom na mo bone nyom ti ye gina ho na ye asa na ye se no na ese e we de ye that the asa ne bi na ye sa sa na ka na ye gina ho no o ti ka ni ti ho an say ni panaka say hello na ti me say voice no mo yem hye me dan me ne that the ho na wo se egu me o si form ni kasa ye di nkomo twa pictures esa so kra my number say your friend anytime or text him anytime, which I was surprised. Me feel why na me first say kwame, which is our founder. Say me share that dinner. Say na I did see. To daddy dear, me kwani ya meaning. So now I don't believe it. Me dem who say you be a. Also not kasa na you be bontin Timbia wash them. Timbia that you hardly see him. I think it's just recently na who say oba bontin ba say be no be din common ya. To me dem who say he still lives. He's not gone. He's still with us. That's how I see it.
Okay. Right.
Super.
Yo, Kafra. Mama, also what's in news no say na afa no. What can I say?
I was with the crew and I and I call nearby. Honestly, mene yadan for bako tatama and your friend tatama first Cobra DC and I made my first Kwame. And I say Kwame saying I'm at you. As a Kwame some farmers and move through honor, but honestly speaking, and some new American is a crowd. I was say gume, and some new honor ma. I almost said that you know all the time no. I'm for both woman a pa. To say that I can earlier no, but the way the news came, and I said yeah, and baby ana ye konim pono. Nipa na ye kone ye no so ye. Madam for pan, she was a DL fan. And ye kone so already emotions were high, and there was Ofa, you move be no more no man. My papa cry for the phone for me, say, "Baba, I just said that the Lumba." Honestly speaking, and I had people who were thinking, say, we are overdoing. We are not overdoing. We love the man genuinely. People don't know how much DL has impacted some of our lives through his music. Me say, mentimi and Shianada, but it was one of my dreams to have met him. Regardless of that Lumba nyom, the things it does for me, meraho, meniaje, maye moody, whatever mood I find myself, I have a song that I will relate to. As far as the year is concerned, and it was not just about say yatiti ye fie na yatiti Obia ye penunum biewu ya papa nimpo Obia ye hu say a father figure. Some of us, he was like a father figure to us. The encouragement you want from your dad now, you will get it from his song. A lot of people do not read meanings. Me say me too. I fall short most of the time with his lyrics, but say me too nyoma. Where's neba? So most people will tell me say, "Baba me tie, and you may post ye me tie on nenona. I'm a matiste sana where's wait." Like people were calling me, and those were the things. Those were the moments that were making me sad. Just people were seeing how much I was in love with that man. It was not easy. In fact, it was not easy. Still, you move no more. You entrebia yenda.
Yeah.
See, kaya na.
Jamu faka kransa.
You gusufa.
Gusufa. Gusufa.
Gusufa. If you had that's why you do.
Was it?
If you had that's why you do.
Yo, Mate. Musufa. 106.9, 25 minutes after 8 a.m. here. And pay your House of D on Penny for 18 come now, Dora Yeji, where Jade in the message about no pay. Good morning, Hitman. Enjoying the conversation. House of D will be stronger. Juan Abaya Mensa, I see Presido Wale, I see Frema. God bless you guys. Much love to you all. What the free Tema Community 22 Estate. Osif Juan from House of DL. And I did the message about Anapay. Kwabena DC, Prince Kwabena DC. Also, well done, guys. House of DL. And Anidaso Wɔhɔ. Now back to if you are young to come so. Now, Presido, who's your daddy Lumba? When you need him come on to Missiano. I want to be Missiano.
Answer na may you want to know. I want to correct something.
Okay.
Concerning the age for House of DL.
Okay.
House of DL was formed, I think, 27 July 2017.
Okay.
So as we, I think, no, 23rd July, yeah, 2017.
Okay.
So as we speak now, House of DL is 8 years.
Many of you watching.
Yeah, 8 years.
My idea, pa. And you could be an year to me. Stay for this long. It could be on my. You better be 2 months in a cool negro. 3 months I feel back with film, you know. You hear quite crying who couldn't be. But Martina say, come wabum se busunya bakwa. My idea, and feel watching. My idea, pa. So, President, back to the Nami Busano. Who's your dad, Lumba?
Face to face, I be din commodity. Me nyahu but said he shows near there. Yes, I've been to his shows, about 3 or 4 shows. Mihunu or Tonjum near there. Na nanka this year mom and ana ya arrangement many say kwame. And no rankasa. Sanke bishia concerning ye project ye na yene na to 1 or 2 things. And well, you can't say.
Trufi Antuata.
Papa, if you know, the CBI.
Okay.
Yeah, but thank you this year, mom, and you know arrangements and Kibishan.
Kibishan, my dear, come on. What Casano can say about project Bia, not more year. House of Deal, not more year project be, and what that the Lumba demo, more year project be Afan home, more year project be Ashen and Nunyam.
But my main a chick a cry. Say, I shall not be saying, Nientia, ye daddy cheap. Make a kanya, make a cry, yaye.
Okay.
House of Deal, one, you feed the street. I think this circle, right? Yes. na official school for, for instance, a challenge school in Accra here. Jolu, yeah, special school. You call it donation. Momo in a Kaswaso. I'm from hospital.
19.
Exactly. But current one, ye guswa ye Asaman Kesi.
I don't know more.
Women's hospital.
Musi hospital.
Ward, sorry, women's ward.
Musi women's ward.
Asaman Kesi General Hospital.
Hospital.
TSC women's ward. Asaman Kesi General.
House of D. Musi women's ward.
TSC women's ward.
Asaman Kesi.
Exactly. 50 bed capacity.
Wow.
Yes. 50 bed capacity.
Musi what that the Lumba Dimu.
Exactly. Oh, that the Lumba Dimu.
Wow, this is so surprising.
Yeah.
My idea.
Oh yeah, away. Me kai say one time crapu or no ever out ever kai.
Mama monse mama. My idea papa.
Apart from being 50 you can say bed capacity no. You were within the ward no. Your nurses station you were 3 special wards for you can say, you know, hospital require your dignities be over to me and for main ward. Any of just if you have 2 beds and I say special wards and see on me and son your friend is saying switch you can say area where say you can women's ward a ward near the womb or more waste near the where it will be treated near your women's first station or changing room. It's a whole you can say a women's ward that it has all the facilities that they are supposed to have to make the whole place complete.
Okay.
You know, you go so hopefully nanka ya dia ne say nka ebe wie na daddy akoye den you could be ano. Na so the BCB aye. Nti no ye enukapo county ye ne 10 na ye de ahye ye papa enumnyam.
Okay.
Nti ye go so aye.
Okay.
Mo beti yanka.
Nti mo ye women's ward was Saman Kese.
Yes.
Government hospital.
Government hospital.
E dia sheda de Lumba enunyam. Just a capacity na be fa nipa be 50 beds be wo ho no no 50 beds my idea pa nyankopon insha much say ampa indeed mo do that de Lumba and mo penasem anya se mo penasem keke de wo ye bia no mo just say mo do no papa na mama musama no me sha se mfiri wo ba nuama ho ba that the Lumba wonyum bebre nenyum de doso papa obi be se that the Lumba wonyum aye de bo akutia obi e didi odo e obi aye de gi yani ane ye wode ye chese ade to yani a yetie from mama musa that the Lumba nyum de na wani ji ho pa
media ne ye Anidaso Wɔhɔ mo bia
Anidaso Wɔhɔ mo bia adantina Anidaso Wɔhɔ mo bia your favorite
fi say nyun metie ne Lewis na kama sembi mame
okay
yenu mu bebe a ye free eni bebe a ba bedui se nya nyame a enka ye mbedu bebe a bedui na wutie Lewis na e che se tie wutie bia no so far as a wote nkwam die Anidaso
Wɔhɔ ma
tim da nyum de mitie a emu nsem no na mefa nsem anyum no ye mede
nti that the Lumba nyum a watu nyina de ye wo favorite pa Anidaso Wɔhɔ mo bia emu nsem no
ye mede
ye wo de dodo e kan nsem kire wo se dachi bia no Anidaso Wɔhɔ
so what from na sem no enye susudua se adefiche nso e ba be ye nipa de a ende na Anidaso so bia so be ye yie
Anidaso
oka omo a eton ade e wo street ni mu that Lumba oye nyansafo he is not an ordinary man ena ne nyom no nso utia nya nyom ne de no but enyom ne nsem no e ma nyom no ye wo de
okay
anytime I made a pet name. Okay. My favorite song, Anidaso
Wɔhɔ mo bia and no favorite from that the Lumba. Mama wants so favorite song from that the Lumba na minti 106.9 and I'll pay any House of DL. Penifo na edin komo wo dwumadi so. Mama what's your favorite song from that the Lumba?
Miss Anidaso Wɔhɔ mo bia.
What's Anidaso Wɔhɔ mo bia? And no favorite. I didn't hear.
Maybe for instance, I've been through a lot. But Sa enwumwe. Aboa me pa.
Okay.
Mitia. Like Emma me jaya adwindwin bi. Ene me bi ehye me so Emma me hu ni say ebefa.
Okay.
Ti enwum na aboa me pa.
That the Lumba nyom Anidaso Wɔhɔ no. Aboa papa.
Aboa me.
Ukrom ni nwom no.
Aboa me pa.
Aboa pa. Right. 106.9. Mama also enwom no that the Lumba watu bebre. Wo favorite ne de
Me so me de ne ye Anidaso Wɔhɔ ni POP. Anidaso Wɔhɔ no. House of the Okasa House of the Yola. Yenji so ye Anidaso Wɔhɔ
and your House of Deal.
Anidaso Wɔhɔ
House of Deal.
Anidaso Wɔhɔ
House of Deal.
Anidaso Wɔhɔ
Right. Into no what's the Anidaso Wɔhɔ? Any who favorite? And a POP. Chimwe.
Okay. The internet Anidaso Wɔhɔ na edi kan kasa na me di kan kasa asem ne say. Di onyuma hye me nkwan wa brabo nim.
Right.
Akra ha na nye easy mame. Me ba me nkwan me nan. Enti me ye madwin say me bo me bra na me nkwan me nan. Say de be ye be si me yi. Wo bo na etwe wo san, but still ni epushi. Ba me tie Anidaso Wɔhɔ no. E ma me be hu say me force ebe fa. Enti say me force na
ebe peke.
Ebe peke. Yes kele ntwa so me force ye ne kele twa.
Kele betua. Ntwa akro betua.
Enti Anidaso Wɔhɔ de. E ye menwom pa. E na POP no so me ka se me nya broken heart bi ache. Me tie POP no ma me broken heart ni nyina ate ko ye. Sana se ni ntina ma me pe POP ni Anidaso Wɔhɔ no. Tempa cho me so me de no.
Nti wo de ne Anidaso Wɔhɔ ana POP.
Bachai.
Mama, what's your favorite here dear Henfa?
That the new dear honestly. So I can say my favorite and my boy.
But what was that particular song from that Lumba? What here just say?
I don't have a favorite, but me kind of categories. Me kind of be a gospel side. Be a why not? You know, uba inspiration. So and they be
okay.
Name them. I mean, love songs.
Okay.
Many categories. Because I don't have a favorite.
Nina yote. Okay. Right.
But you Cemetery.
I
was gume.
And I say no favorite.
No, your favorite.
But and you might nyabotre. So what's it that the Lumba nyom does about that particular song you kukrum no? What's here now was singing this song no? No be your favorite pa because and you ma what's here now was here good here.
It's true.
Sanyom ni your favorite pa.
Your kukrum no. It's different because daddy me too quite pain. And I know how it feels. I've been there. It wasn't easy.
Okay.
It's like we come share lockdown time. African markets now we have African food into. It wasn't easy. Daddy. Because daddy me favorite. Though I was see good many idea, but I love all his songs. Me name because I knew it.
Okay.
Me ko anapa me ko adwuma me de the gospel consolation e ko nwe ba me de bia ne frem but anapa de the gospel consolation ko na me de nam. Yes.
Okay.
I can listen to DL the whole day, whole week, whole month and I won't get tired. No.
Okay.
I never get tired of his songs. Obia oni me bia na me say Daddy Lumba. What you say? Obia o free mo no. Course na ba abaka se sebio sebe. Ono na wo me. My boyfriend kwa catch me say nansa o papa kra na.
O boyfriend catch you saying?
Papa na ewu kra nka obeyisi, papa na ewu nka me esi ana. Me boy kwa ni ma hwe me pesa ne kra be kasa. E calm me. Exactly, that's what he said. He said you're being dramatic. He is a celebrity. I'm saying you don't understand me. Metie anyontofo.
Okay.
Daddy. And the thing is, tie ne nyum anasa na say ne wo kana se a. You feel it.
Okay.
feel utiase but what must
Batiasia pa.
and so that can come say kwame.
Okay, say kwame papa bi.
Help.
Say kwame papa bi ana pay I'm here live on Facebook and you know. Say kwame baby I will be ano yichia no.
He's an asset for us. Say kwame is an asset because honestly I say that the nyumentino.
Woni ma menka we nchire mo. Won say nke ba be Lumba fest. Eba be celebrate 35 years of that Lumba nenyum tour. And personally DLFM adwuma ha me na me da events ano. And nkoma me ne da di ye no. O ka kire me say boss, edi o de frame no. Boss, say kwame papa bi. Yambo na baso. Asema da di Lumba ka kire me no. So yeah, planning next month pe. Me eba be Lumba fest and we're going to award. Yeah, baba award this kwame papa bi. Na o ya we president. Nti ke ba be boss kwame papa bi abaso se wadai otumi man Ghana for ni wi ase afanyina eti da de Lumba nyoma se no o cheche mu yi pa
wa boa me
ana ba se kwame nyankopon hwa ba bia wo bia no
me be crowd no boa me na me sha be
yo mama na won so that de Lumba nyombe na
to say they didn't kaka. Some of us we don't have a favorite. But me one of the songs that does it for me.
Ankwanoma.
The body in the cramp is
Mensu.
That song does a lot of things for me.
Mensu.
In a lot of ways. A year when I want to get freaky, I go with Pony.
When you want to go freaky,
yes,
you go with Pony.
Oh, I'm extremely freaky. I don't hide it.
You're a freaky person.
Does a lot of things for me.
Pony does a lot of things for you.
A lot of things.
So Pony has done a lot of things for you.
Me boy no cry am person me sure said they fire me. Me say no Pony.
106.9 40 minutes after 8 for meba.
DLFM 106.9.
When she wants to get freaky with your Pony. Hey. Charles Man said in the message about I'm not despaired, still waiting for a miracle to wake Daddy Lumba from his sleep. Anidaso Wɔhɔ, House of DLFM Wɔhɔ. Let's do this one.
that I wait here and calling. Hey, be a jump. So that I wait here and calling. And here be a day. One go. So that I wait here and calling, baby. I'm glad I didn't hear morning. I didn't hear more draw. I didn't hear more draw. Say, get walk and sound.
106.9, 49 minutes after 8, yes. Any House of Dion, Penny for Nadine, come on. House of Dion, Anidaso Wɔhɔ. And up here, I said the rest well. Isaac Dankwad in the message about Facebook. I said rest well, Daddy Lumba. Me Bella J, I said, rest well, Daddy Lumba. Stone up once in the message about no pay with Facebook. Johnny live on Facebook, about no share link. No, I'm off for being swear to me. I could some do jump. You say good morning. Hitman, listen live. I will tell my rest in peace, Daddy Lumba. Manu Bano, I say rest in peace, Daddy Lumba. There's a messages in the door so pa. I'm back to the studios now. Yantra and come on, so I can't see me do pepe na fe no pay no kro abo. President of House of DL, Kinwale, as I say, President. What's my musao? What favorite song from Daddy Lumba? President. President, be microphone and the president ba wan kasa ka de ope. POP. President not just why show POP and also be national POP.
You see, POP no there were two ways.
Okay.
Either say Bema no action is POP. And I say o express ama obane hu say enye se bia wo POP na wo show. Na ebi na eni ho. Na say winye bia obema na hu say yes, odono.
Okay.
Aha. Nti na njuni baby no ka say minya me Benz. Na say me demo a. Na bo hu say me do. No say aswe de enye de kra na ye den. Enfisro enden. Enfisifom. Enden ya ni baby be den. E be eden. Aha.
The president won share won say POP.
Dabi. Ebia man be kan say am person share say POP omo no be kan.
President won share. I see. 106.9 and pay din koma ye di nyina no in loving memory of our Charles Kojo for Suda de Lumba. Adwuma no honti and the House of DL for article ya what they celebrating on. We're celebrating over the years what yi 8 years in the year. In fear what in ye what he say ku yi. Tina just said dear what ye nyina no wo ye e dia supported that the Lumba. I was saying na fi be phone lines na ma won so to me afre na what they will comment about what the questions about would you media so and what the ba ya bejebre na fi ya kenkan ni nyina dia ma kama and na pay would you media so DLFM 106.9 so Obia kind of favorites we say POP we say Anidaso Wɔhɔ Obia obi so see you kurekure now that the Lumba now what we done baso on the 30th of August busumi ayi wo mi ya da etoso aduasam our University of Ghana Sports Stadium as a club amodo that the Lumba so far ahobo na say na ekọ ma ka kire mo members o ma ye krado said that the Lumba now what we done ahobo say na ko president na mintio
answer na make say no and say ye obakwe film on why no so or photograph but okay ho nti ya question direct be man no
so no do buy no photos no
photos na why like so be aha and kre 1 week no dia yeso ye boy ho pa
okay
members wo Ghana there obi bia eba
okay
yeah, members be wo outside cry so ebi eba ebi kwa badida
okay
ebi so enam kwan so eba ayegusu ye ahomboa
okay
for that day enti no mohwe yinim
okay
ye beba abegrisi occasion.
Okay.
Yes.
Right. 106.9, 6 more minutes to hit up of the hour 9. How you deal? 106.9. Where you for cry? First time airplay on radio. That the Lumba free mono. Where you nyom for one tin the baby ada. One tin baby ada. First time airplay. Where you that the Lumba nyoma. Yen ya kofinti. Aye. Edi amada the Lumba. Oniki bless and I sanubi. Yentie.
Oh, Daddy, I'm referred to you. Die hard fans of Daddy Lumba. Almost say Daddy, P. Me, I'm a director. Cheers. One. Oh, USC. Akili Bobo. One other. Hitman shedding.
What you jump back on? Bamo, where am I? Bamo, where am I?
Oh, Mama Lou, Lucio Fosu, Holland, Daddy na kweja eno, I said.
Together, sister, Jama Cynthia, I'm a Tupano. Just here for the phone, what up from you? Media Michiwe, Mitaway, Naya Fanko Sifio. Our daddy, the river, oh.
Yaraho, Abra, Sukabie, Kofinti, legendary.
Nana Jana just a biafra, Kobe Bessia, Yabare Abakra, Jana just on that celebrate brand once. Rano, Eberanzu Radi, Yama Boni Joe, Daddy Lumba just got up on
It's a brand new one from Kofinti. Oniki bless. And you might what to the Amada de Lumba. I was saying for course in the crowd. Now my friend is 059340 6565 0593406565 0534050199. 1 hour till our brooch. I don't need a +233 59340 6565. Then for course in the crowd. Hello, good morning.
Hitman.
Yes, sir. Me about you for saying. What's the Medina?
Yeah.
What's the Medina?
Yeah, Hitman. Hitman, Oma me would have House of DLFM. Oma da wabri mi krumukra.
Kafra.
Ama si mi kosi kunya. Ne me kama na maso no pai. Hitman, that be a free one. Juma kasiye ene abeda ho no. Eti ne se ne empanifo aba studio ho ide. Ma me fa ma de sene de to o manim. Ene sen.
Okay.
Ne kire wom. Se DLFM ye program bia. Omo kire wom members no. Na omo share program no. Ama program no enko. Ema mantan ehunu. Wo share program no kwa de bia wo share program bia. Eva radio, sugar, now, Hitman, no, Zigibio, woman share any day, I'm a program and encore. And I fell to 2. Dear in Supano, the Strom, a week be out of Biantomienu, a week Biano, in Supano, Biantomienu, and also our stores, so no. Gibibu stone him near the end town, meaning I had my this lady I'm the tour when no.
But what's it? So me that's no pay so to me a friend. 059340 6565 059340 6565. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me about you for saying.
Over the tornado that no kaka for dance man.
Ma mean till tornado.
Oh, that no matter ni already I care so that no matter. Me papa for no on I am the second father.
Okay.
That no matter. Men you do it. I no man there men you ma. They say me should have cry because me told man was dying. So we are not about my kakra.
Mate, me ba ma dodo.
And that is my baby. Obia, Americano.
You now what old T-shirt today?
Just maybe prefer in the notch.
Brother Jody.
Station
Me pa share North Legon, ya ne Wisconsin University in the born heading pepe. Why?
Me pa open many that me more than some.
Me pa share han kwana benya bia to obetumi asomo obi kura no abeto ama. Why?
Okay,
Mate. Me so me da se pa so what to me a friend 059340 6565 059340 6565 0534 050 and I'll pay any house of deal for a dinkomo was Anidaso Wɔhɔ Obia. Good morning.
Good morning.
About your first saying?
It is Alicia from House of Deal.
Oh, Mammy Tiwano pay.
Pastor Obia. House of Deal, me remember. By a better 1 week in the pa. Ethiopia.
Okay. Right, Mate made us a password to me, a friend. Hello, good morning. Meba. Good morning.
Good morning, Hitman.
What's your phrase?
Say, Kwame Papa.
Hey, say, Kwame Papa. Say, Kwame, I meet you at the pay.
The dear question in a minute, me share the question. I'm say, Kakama, daddy, you free me. Me uncle Sammy personally. It's not easy for me. Because we did that, I've been going through a lot. But then, so a young boy, and 1 week of November, Nayababe and coffee. This is not, executive board and members somewhere.
Okay. Right. Sir Kwame, yeah, that's a pass over to me, a friend. Okay. Thank you so much for your contribution. Good morning.
Good morning, DJ Hitman.
Yes, sir. Your phrase.
DJ Hitman, the phone by the time the Misimu Cantamanto inside.
Okay. I mean, to a quick one.
Yeah, DJ Hitman. Papa no idea what be jama a wiasano. A sopa, Lumpina, the fine crabs, no, a bit brave. The woman, I mean, get moving to us, right?
You, Mate, we'll do a very final caller, then we call it a day here on the show. Your final caller 059340 6565. Yeah, Braswell was here. Nafi Jumedi for front, so etwaso. Good morning.
Good morning, DJ Hitman.
Maybe about your first saying.
Mama Sareboche Majo last of.
Mama, I mean, you want to pay.
I no pay bien. Me mamune juma pa mo boma Ghana ni DLFM 106.9. Any house of DL4. It's my phone now or DLFM station. Yankupon Sram, no onyam kasiye. Na said the house of DL. Almost so ya papamu. Mesromo pa say. San sabom ni wo. No mo san so ya papamu sa. Na no pemesa to fa na makọ ye maame ho. Mrs. Priscilla Fosu. Me say the anopay. Yankupon ka ne wo. Onya ne din. Ti bia omu se de din. Na mmom minim sɛ obedi nkunim ɛwɔ wieye ebusia ni bi obi bia College Association for me church obia na no pay mama Sareboche Majo laptop na me ra ho no pay sɛ papa je papa die na ne me ame sɛ ya sɛ ne ntem sei me sɛ me sia me da na busia fo awu me kuna firi so me su sa da papa ma me ra ho
afra
na ni nyina aso no
kafra
Dakro, then you besia. Nanko Ponkamu. Metro Bia say, will be a tia nano pay. Young woman, the answer the tell papa, yes, a wife fuel. Yen Tennessee, then Nanko Sim, Captain Yamia Dum, that yes. Yan professor, no baby or new story or see a quiet way up from Migusuka. 20 pounds, let me see. My name by Nanko Ponkamu. Bye bye.
Mate. Edding. Was it go into me for call be a beam? Now, my member says, I will pass off one. wo ka safo an to saying and pay my men can for key max Ghana for Enfama key max Ghana for se car keys remote car keys ni remote won sem nyina de e key max Ghana for na make for the ma wo Saperman or Park Road ne so fra wana afi won safo ho sem nyina wo car remote ne chese safo bia e fa ka ho de wo hwe na 122 bibia kama Enfama there was 0244 288 005 and better for yeah brasso I was here call president quick one 30 seconds na yen hwe na yen wrap up the obeke twa to na fi yen sorry nkomo iso
okay even be twa to na say whether DLFM say on my this noble platform
okay
to also share our views, our connection with our legend
okay
that the Lumba
okay
and then also in Chia and Koma House of the members near teacher near founder say onya sa adwumpo we achiche sa ekowe
okay
you can't akabim say 1 week in a year see o sikan remember never been coffee
okay
House of the year you're represented
match you right mama quick one na fi when you sorry so I mean you
Edi kan me ase da pese be mamo se mama yesa akwanya we ene platform kese because aha ya ba no gidi say o me wa bonte no bebe nante House of Deal onka enti sa akwanya we so be mama te se bi group wo ho no ma ye House of Deal enti eye open enti obi biara o pese o join group bia no betimi hu ye obetimi ehu ye wo Facebook TikTok Instagram
social media platforms in the
social media platform ni na send a message we need more members to come on board
right
edamase
yeah so yeah that's pa you krom
edamase say enye obi anya akonya we edamase pa na mefa efide so ada me president ase na madam Portia so ase
okay
na mada House of the of nyina ase se kwame kabra DC asunaba
nipa na doso ye monitor ye brenti no ye monitor ye brenti ye monitor
Emilia mikasa me boy di nipa ne doso ti me do bibia
right ye da se pa ye brenti no mame quick one me call the obeka na fi sorry so
me da obibia ase and I'm da kwadwofo so enye se kwa me anka me kwa mentimi endu ha me da me boyfriends was ya homachi me sorry me te sapema on the two car be fa me e ba kwa wanse na minya card ya ba
boyfriend e do buy
on the two car e be fa me
why are
enye ono anka mentimi endu ha me da House of Deal for mpanyufo nyina se especially boga banku kwadwofo so me da na se bebre on hwehwe me ansa na ko US back
mate
that's it
mame it's you
me so meda wase say on my platform we na yetimi aba no abegudi nkomo na me chia Obia so and so say like I said abna fiscal and birthday happy birthday to you abna no say me do be brimpe wasem
okay
bibia ntenti what maybe fa cheme
yo
why
mate that's it so baba quick one na fi yanko
me pa trading kameda nyankopon ase so odeda Lumba ebedom yen eto so bi o meda se kwame ase any House of the phone na presido I mean sure wa no penya wa katwobo amete ya mfa se kwame scanner de send name ni so send for kan why
yo mate yeah so yeah that's well thank you so much president Kabibi
yes the mechanic say like Mrs. Sakaya no House of the our doors are open to the general public.
To be person be join
here. Number obetumi RH 0244
okay
891 791
okay
and I say 0244 20 7975
okay
so we fresh and I see mobia
I know so your doors are open there
almost social media platforms
Mate, well, thank you so much for being part of the show. The very good act of being a good guest is to know when to say goodbye. President, you're bringing to me.
Mr. Fetcheme, Vedi Manka, Nama Hami small boy, no. Me nephew, Obrimpong, Indra, any birthday.
Oh, yeah, man, happy belated birthday. So happy belated birthday, and come Obrimpong. You're bringing was here. We have to go. Mammy, quick one.
My younger sister birthday, Jacqueline. police ID. But I'm a happy birthday.
Martin. Well, thank you so much for being part of the show. The very good act of being a good guest is don't know when to say goodbye. I said I can see on common production team. No, Inshaba Kwadwo Sami be your executive producer. Zinga Okwan with the production. Papa Kofi Taylor, DJ Mariana team. You're from Hitman. Good morning and enjoy the rest of our programs. Bye bye.
Oh, Daddy, I'm referred to you. Die hard fans of Daddy Lumba. Almost Daddy, P. Me, I'm a director. Cheers. One. Oh, USC. Akili Bobo. Onedera. Hitman shedding.
What did you back on? Bamo, where am you? Bamo, where am I?